We are given x raised to x to the power of 7 equals 7. We are gonna find the value of x. Alright, to start the solution, I'm gonna work on this part, which means x raised to the power of 7. Let this x raised to the power of 7 equals a. So we have a new equation. What is the value of x from this new equation? To find the value of x, we need to take root 7 on both sides of this equation. It is gonna be root 7 left hand side x raised to 7 equals root 7 right hand side, which means a. Now in this point, this 7 as exponent, this 7 as root, cancel off, so left hand side x is gonna be right hand side root 7 of a. Now we need this one to continue the solution. Okay, the original equation says x raised to x to the power of 7. So what is this x? Root 7 of a. X to the power of 7, we set it a, right? It is gonna be left hand side equals right hand side 7. Good step. Look, left hand side root 7 of a to the power of a, right hand side 7. To continue the solution, I'm gonna raise both sides of this equation to the power of 7. Let's see what happens. Left hand side root 7 a to the power of a raised to the power of 7. Okay, right hand side 7 to the power of 7. In this moment, to continue the solution, we need this math rule that says if we have a to the power of m raised to the power of n, it can be written in the form of a to the power of n raised to the power of m. So let's use this math rule to continue the solution. Left hand side, I'm gonna based on this rule, change the place of this exponent and rewrite this left hand side in the form of root 7 of a raised to the 7 then to the power of a. This is left hand side, right hand side 7 to the power of 7. This 7 as exponent, this 7 as root can be cancelled out. So what is left hand side? A raised to the power of a. Let me write it here, a to the power of a. Right hand side 7 to the power of 7. Look carefully. What is the value of a from this equation? Right, a is gonna be 7, right? Okay, but what is a? First, we said x raised to 7 equals a. So a is gonna be x to the power of 7, right? X to the power of 7 equals 7. Now we need to find the value of x from this equation. What should we do? Take root 7 on both sides of this equation, right? Root 7 of x to the power of 7 equals root 7 of 7. This 7 as exponent, this 7 as root, cancel off. So left hand side, what is this? X equals right hand side, root 7 of 7. And this is gonna be your answer. But let's check this is the valid answer or not. To check the answer, it is enough we plug the value of x, which means root 7 of 7, in our original equation. Let's do it. X, which means root 7 of 7, okay, to the power of x, one more time, root 7 of 7 to the power of 7 equals right hand side 7. How can we simplify this one? We need to start from top and go bottom. First, root 7 of 7 to the power of 7. Look, we have root 7 of 7 to the power of 7. To solve this 7 as exponent, this 7 as root can be cancelled off, so it is going to be 7. So what is the value of this part? 7. Left hand side, we have root 7 of 7 to the power of 7. Right hand side 7. Next, again, this 7 as exponent, this 7 as root can be cancelled off. Left hand side is going to be 7, right hand side 7. 7 equals 7. So x equals root 7 of 7 is valid answer.